If your ultrasonic cutter isn't cutting like it used to, I'm going to show you a few things you can do that might bring it back to life. So on these ultrasonic cutters, there are a few parts that are considered common wear. There are also some cleaning techniques that you can do that can help to bring these things back to life. So first off, you're going to want to remove your blade and the blade holder that's inside. You see with this blade holder, you can see some wear on parts of it, and this is intentional. Obviously with a ultrasonic cutter, because it is vibrating at about 40,000 times per second, you will get a lot of friction, and that friction will eventually wear down on any metal components and metal parts. Well, if this is a softer metal than this, that means that this will take most of the abuse, and that's intentional. This is easy to replace. This will cost you a bit more to replace, so it is a common wear point. We do want to clean out the inside here just to get rid of any potential debris or anything that might make it overheat a little bit faster. The Q-tip and a little bit of isopropanol alcohol. Just get a little bit of alcohol on that tip and stick it in the hole here. Remove most of the crap that might be built up in there. Next, you can get this maintenance set that we also have available on the website, model SB01. And that kit does include this little holder here along with a couple little sandpaper patches. And this is a specific kind of sandpaper. You can't just stick any kind of sandpaper down in there. So you're just going to enter it into the little slit that's in the holder and just wrap it around with the dull side out, shiny side in. Stick it down in there and give it a little twist. And you can see we actually removed quite a bit of debris that had worked its way in there. And there's a pretty good example there. We took quite a bit out from the inside of that. Now you can go back in with your Q-tip again and get it nice and clean on the inside of there. Get a fresh Q-tip and dry it out. So now we can take our brand new blade holder, and including that, you do get another Allen key as well as a brand new set screw and blade holder. And you're going to seat that blade right inside. It's very important that you get these centered up as much as possible. If it's a little bit out of center, you're going to overheat faster than if you have it locked down just perfect. And then we can go ahead and test it. A really good sign that you got it in there just right is if you cannot hear anything. If you hear a high-pitched frequency or a vibration, that means that the blade is probably not seated just right, or that there is a little bit of dirt inside of that horn still that you can try to go back in and get it out. You do have 3 of these pads included with the SB01, but we do have an SB02 which has 10 refill strips. So in the event that you use these up and you need some more, we got you covered there as well. You can get the SB01, the SB02, and the ZH04S at nextlevelneo.com.